beautiful day. We're going to learn about the A sound. A, A. Again, A, A. Let's say the short sound of A. A, A, A. Again, A, A, A. Okay, let's begin. This is a fruit that begins with A sound. What fruit is this? Apple. It's an apple. Again, apple. Apple. This one is an insect. What insect is this? Ant. Again, ant. This is used for sailing. Core. Anchor. Anchor. Row. Arrow. Again, arrow. This one is an animal. Alligator. Alligator. He goes in his face. Astronaut. Astronaut. Again, astronaut. This is a tank for fishes. Aquarium. Aquarium. Again, aquarium. It's another fruit. What is this? Avocado. Avocado. Again, avocado. This is a tool. Axe. Again, axe. It's a vehicle. Ambulance. 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 This is a part of your body. Arm. Arm. Again, arm. Let's review all the pictures that begin with the sound of short A. A. Ambulance. Ant. Anchor. Aquarium. Alligator. Axe. Avocado. Astronaut. Apple. Arrow. Again, it's the short A sound. A. Let's study the picture, which has A sound. Astronaut. Apple. Ambulance. Alligator. Correct. You have all the answers. See you next time.